everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to another Cricut DIY Wednesday. Okay, let's start with the items that I'll be using for today's DIY. So I have this square bamboo box here that we're going to use today. And I also have these jars with the same bamboo on the lid. And I have 3 of these jars that we'll be decorating today for our DIY. And for our box, I'll be using some of this Glam chain that I got here. And I'll be using some E6000 to lay the chain going right around our box. If today's your first time clicking on my videos, I'd like to say welcome. And I hope you will hit that subscribe button and press the bell too, so you'll be notified every time I upload another video to share, which is every Wednesday and Sundays I upload videos. And now I'll be adding the chain going across the bottom part of our box. And all the items used in today's DIYs will be listed down below in the description box. And I do hope everyone will give me a thumbs up for today's DIY Cricut Wednesday. And now our chain is all dry, going around our box. That looks so cute. So I'll be using these knobs here that I got off of Amazon. Aren't they cute? They're round and nice with little ear bubbles inside. And I'll just be using some hot glue. And we're just going to glue the knobs on the bottom part of our box because we're using them for legs. Yeah, legs for our box. Doesn't this look super cute already? Next I go into Cricut Design Space, pick what I need, send it to my Cricut to be cut. And here is the design that I chose. This nice flower print here. So we're just going to lay it on our box. And then I'm just going to use a scraper and scrape down our decor onto our box and make sure it sticks. OMG everyone, I'm so sorry. I didn't know that my camera died right as I started to peel back the transfer tape. But this is how it looks on our box. It looks very nice. And here is the finished look for our decor box. A very nice display box. It looks really nice and I love the Cricut design on the front. The added touch to our decor. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our decor box. Using our Glam items and our Cricut design. And now onto the DIYs using our jars with the lids. So again, I go into Cricut Design Space, get the designs that I want and cut them on our Cricut. And I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol to clean the surface of our vases. And here is the first image that I cut, and this part is the offset part. It's a monogram with the letter A. So we place it down, then we're just going to burnish it and scrape it down well to make sure it sticks to the surface. Then we peel it back slowly. Next, we have the top part of our image, which is the letter A. So I'm just going to line it up really good and set it down. Then we're going to scrape it down with our scraper. And I'm just going to peel back the transfer tape. And now for our second image. This time we're using the letter B. And first we're laying down our offset image. Scraping it down well. Peeling it back. And now for our top image. Just lining it up. Laying it down. And then we're going to burnish it onto the vase using our scraper. And then we're just going to peel back the transfer tape. And for our third jar, we're going to repeat the same steps. This time our theme is a butterfly. So we have the offset part, sorry. And we're just going to peel it back. And then add the top layer. And then we're just going to burnish it down with the scraper. And then we're just going to peel back the transfer tape. Okay, so now I have the bamboo lids of all the jars. And again, we're going to use our pretty knobs that we got from Amazon. And using some hot glue, we're going to glue them down to the top of each of our lid. And now I have this candle holder, and I'll be using some of this Glam chain here. And I'm just going to use some E6000 and glue the chain going right around this part of our candle holder. So now we're going to use our candle holder and our jar with the butterfly and use some E6000 and glue them together. And here is the finished look of our decor jars. I think they look lovely. And the monogram on the front with our butterflies, I think they look absolutely lovely. And I used the white offset background so the letters and butterfly would be more visible within the clear jars. I think it looks lovely, and I love the bamboo color on the lids. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. So you take simple items, add some Cricut designs from Cricut Design Space, and you have a lovely piece of decor for your home. And here's all our pieces together. I think it looks lovely. You can use it as a vanity set within your bathroom, or you could use it as a vanity set on your dresser, in your room, anywhere you please. Your powder room, your bedroom. I think it makes a lovely piece of decor, and I love the bamboo color. It's nice. No painting, no nothing. Leave it just as it is. And the legs that we're using with those knobs from Amazon, I think it gives that added touch and make it look lovely. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Cricut DIY Wednesday, the decor I had to share with you using our Cricut machine and Cricut Design Space. I love how they turned out. And if you're new here, I hope you will press that subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Wednesday and Sunday. I upload videos. And I hope everyone will give me a thumbs up for today's Cricut DIY. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone.